Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you a simple but powerful trick to create dynamic labels in your charts. We'll use Premier League data as an example and tackle a common issue when the x-axis labels overlap with the negative bars, like you can see here. I'll walk you through a technique that will move the labels to the opposite side of the bars automatically, making your charts clearer and more professional. So let's get started. Okay, let's quickly rebuild this chart. Okay, so we have our chart put together. We still have to do a little bit of work because we have our category labels down here, which are fine for the positive bars, but for the negative bars, they are overlapping and we can't see them. So the first thing we do is we click and delete those. And that's where we come up to this third column here, the label column. You're going to write a formula here, an if formula that says equals if this cell here, so this goal difference is greater than 0, then write -1. If it's not greater than 0, write 1. Close your brackets, hit enter. Then you can double click and send that all the way down to the rest of the table. So that's the first step. The second step, and you're probably wondering why we did that. The second step is to come back to your chart, right click, select data. We are going to add a second data series in. So click to add series 2. Name will be label. Y values will be the -1s and the 1s, so that third column. And our horizontal category labels are the different clubs. So once all of that is in, press OK. So we've got this this second data series that's popped up in a different color. What we need to do now is make sure that they are overlapping. So click on the data series, right click, format data series, come over here to series overlap, and I want you to change that to 100%. So now they are in line with each other. That's great. While it's still selected, and if you have clicked off somewhere, just click back on that second series, come up to the paint bucket and look for no fill. So we don't want to see that series there. We just want them there for the data labels, which is the next part. So again, with that series selected, right click, add data labels. That's good so far, but we want to change it. That's what we want to pop up. So we want to click on those data labels. Then we want to right click and format data labels. Come over here. Instead of our value, we want I'm going to say series name. No, we want our category name. Unclick value and unclick leader line. So there you go. They are on the right side or the correct side of the bars. So for instance, if Aston Villa went to +5 goals, watch what happens. It flips. So that is step 1. Step 2 is changing the color to be negative, or changing the color for the negative bars. So the first thing we do is click on our data series, come up to, if you haven't got it already, format data series. So right click, format data series, come up to the paint bucket. We want to say invert if negative. We pick our first positive color, which I'm going with blue. Then after we've done that, a second paint bucket comes up. And that's where we pick our second color. So I'm going to say this kind of dark red here, which you might not be able to see. And there you go. We've put our negative colors in there. So again, if Liverpool, something drastic happens and they go to -5 goals, our if function will automatically update and it'll go to a +1, which will in turn then put our label at the top and flip all that around, and our colour is the other way. So that is how you do it. We'll put Liverpool back before I upset all the Liverpool fans. So that is how you get those dynamic labels and colours in your charts. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below.